If you're thinking about buying Payzerware for your church management needs, there are a few important things you should know before making a decision. In this video, we'll break down what Payzerware offers, how it compares to its competitors, and help you decide if it's the right choice for you. The first thing you should know is that Payzerware is a comprehensive church management system designed to handle everything from donations and accounting to member management and event planning. It's a solid option for churches that want all their tools in one place, but it may not be as intuitive as some other options on the market. It's important to spend time learning how to use the platform to fully leverage its features. Next thing, Payzerware offers a customizable interface, which is great if you want to tailor it to your church's needs. However, this level of customization can sometimes feel overwhelming. Unlike some competitors like Breeze or Planning Center, which offer more user-friendly, straightforward interfaces, Payzerware's flexibility comes with a learning curve. The third thing to keep in mind is pricing. Payzerware's pricing structure can be a bit tricky to understand at first, as it offers different pricing tiers based on the features you need. Compared to other options like ChurchTrack, Payzerware's pricing may seem more expensive, especially for smaller churches that don't need all the advanced features. Moving on to the fourth thing, customer support. Payzerware provides customer support through phone and email, but many users report that response times can be slower than expected. If you value quick, reliable customer service, you might find platforms like Church Community Builder or Tithe.ly a bit more responsive in this area. The fifth thing is the integration capabilities. Payzerware integrates with several popular platforms, including QuickBooks for accounting, but it doesn't have as many third-party integrations as some other church management systems. If you rely on a wide variety of tools outside the platform, this could be a limitation. Next thing, Payzerware offers solid member management tools, allowing churches to track attendance, manage contact info, and even send out communication. However, when compared to systems like Fellowship One, Payzerware's member management features may feel a bit basic, especially if you need advanced reporting or segmentation features. The seventh thing you should know is about event planning. Payzerware has event management features that let you create and track events, but it doesn't offer as much flexibility as other systems. For churches that need complex event management, you might find better options with Planning Center or Rock RMS. The eighth thing to consider is security. Payzerware offers decent security measures to protect your church's data, but like many platforms, it's important to regularly review and update your security practices. If security is a top priority, platforms like Realm might offer more robust security protocols and data encryption. The ninth thing is mobile access. Payzerware offers mobile apps for both staff and members, which is a great feature. However, the mobile experience isn't always as smooth as what you'll find with other church management apps like Tithe.ly or ChurchTrack, which tend to have more polished mobile interfaces. The 10th thing is its financial tools. Payzerware offers solid donation tracking, reporting, and accounting features, but it's not as robust as systems like ACS Technologies, which offers more in-depth financial tools. If detailed financial reports are a top priority, you may want to explore other options. Next thing, Payzerware's user experience can be a bit clunky at times. While it's customizable, the platform doesn't always feel as intuitive or streamlined as competitors like Breeze or Planning Center. This means it may take more time to get everything set up and running smoothly. The 12th thing to consider is scalability. Payzerware is a great option for medium to large churches, but smaller churches might find it overkill. If you're a small church just getting started, you might find more affordable, simpler options with platforms like ChurchTrack or Tithe.ly. In conclusion, Payzerware is a solid choice for many churches, especially those that need an all-in-one system for managing donations, members, and events. However, if you're looking for a more user-friendly, cost-effective solution, or if you need more advanced features, there are definitely other options out there. For a better choice, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.